Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a pork steak in the slow cooker. So let's get crocking. I have a pork blade steak here. There was two of them in this package. These were $3.49 per pound, 1.9 pounds, so it was $6.63 for both of these. I cooked one yesterday, so I'm just going to cook this in a dry slow cooker, so this will just fit right in the bottom of my slow cooker here. And let me wash my hands off real quick. And I'm going to season this with this barbecue rub by the J. Christopher Company. This has sumac, which is a purple berry, paprika, sugar, onion, garlic, kosher salt, mustard, and spices in it. This is a local company. I live in Northern California. I think this is made like in Santa Rosa or something like that. So I just buy this in the grocery store, but you can also get it on Amazon, or you can season this any way you like, even just salt and pepper is good, but this gives it kind of a nice color, and that sumac is a little bit tangy, so it kind of has a little bit of a citrusy flavor to it. And this is pretty light on the salt, so I'm just going to add just a little bit of kosher salt as well. Okay, and we'll get the lid on there. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. It's been an hour and 45 minutes, so let's check on this. I don't know, I think that looks pretty good. It's starting to pull away from the bone a little bit. I'm just going to shut it off right there, let it rest a little bit, and then we'll try it out. Alright, let's see how this turned out. I let it sit in the pot for about half hour after I turned it off, so it was in there about 2 hours and 15 minutes. It was cooking for an hour and 45 minutes, and then sitting in the pot for another half hour on after I turned it off, like I said. See how it looks here. Got some pretty good color on the outside. Looks pretty well cooked through. Looks like it's fairly juicy, so let's try a bite. Came out pretty good. I just need some applesauce to go with it. Andy's getting all excited over here. I guess we better let her try a piece. Want some, Andy? Well, she woofed that down. So that cooked on high for about an hour and 45 minutes, but it'll probably vary a little bit depending on how big your steak is and how done you want it. And if you cook it on low, probably add an extra hour or so. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.